This is Chad Toyne with a special weekend update. Through the storm, grains, tariffs, and first notice day from Trader PhD Ag Marketing. You and I made it through the storm. I held a lot of corn from last year, so I took a hit this week too. We knew this week was going to be hard, but the magnitude of the week really stung. So what does this mean? What should you do? And what should you expect moving forward? Here's what this week meant. This wasn't just noise, it was a reckoning. We knew First Notice Day was Friday, and I told you guys to brace for a tough week, especially in corn, with the funds stacked long. And then came the perfect storm. We had weak exports, Trump tariff threats, USDA's big corn acre boost, and even a surging U.S. dollar. The buyers sat aside, the sellers panicked, and prices got punished. So here's what you should do. Don't let fear win. We see extreme moves like this a couple of times every year, and this was one of them. If you're holding corn or wheat, sit tight. The funds bailed on both corn and wheat, and they left the market oversold, and we might bounce. Soybeans, we got the break lower that we were anticipating, and the acres cut might end up being the shot in the arm that soybeans need. Selling lows is such a costly mistake. I don't do it, and you don't pay me to have you do it. You pay me for the tough calls like calling this wreck of a week before it hit. And I'm here to steer us through, and you're not alone. We all got blindsided by the magnitude this week, but this bad week is not going to define our whole marketing year. Here's what to expect moving forward. The funds dumped hard, corn and beans especially, and that's good. It clears the deck. Trump stood firm on Friday. Tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China loom on March 4, and maybe later if he flexes on the deadline. And that's going to force grains to find a low, or maybe the low is in. This reset button has been pressed. The damage is mostly done. Spring is coming. USDA is hinting at 84 million acres of beans. Stocks are tight. Corn acres might swell even after what happened this week, so we're watching supply. Wheat is a global concern with Russia and Ukraine. Volatility is likely for the next 2 weeks. This is a setup for a spring rally, and we're going to find opportunity there. And here's an interesting final point. Friday's Oval Office mess sent grains to new lows by the close at 120 Central. But the S&P stock market surged 200 basis points. That's a full 2% after that. The panic is fading and grains might follow. Livestock, gold, and Bitcoin, they all got hit hard. And so now there's bargains in the market for next week. Both of us have been through worse, and we're here now, and we're going to continue to be here through every step, plotting the rally that we all know is coming. Come see us at our booth at the Commodity Classic. 2025 is going to be a good year. Thanks for listening. I'm Chad Toyne, and this has been a special weekend update from Trader PhD.